Okay, so magandang umaga sa lahat. Magandang araw. So this time, I will show you some techniques in writing the pattern of arithmetic sequence na may halong wikang Filipino para maintindihan natin class, no? So it is module 2 of quarter 1, mathematics 10, how to generate pattern of arithmetic sequence. So we have example 1, write the general term of the sequence 13, 25, 37, 49, 61, and so on. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung step-by-step na pagsulat ng pattern ng arithmetic sequence. So, step 1, determine the first term or the a sub 1. Okay, so that will be the first step. So, our a sub 1 is 13. Okay, step 2, identify the common difference D. And the common difference of that arithmetic sequence is 12. Step 3, set your D as the coefficient of n as your initial pattern. So we have that a sub n equals to 12 times n or 12n. Then step 4, add or subtract number to your step 3 to satisfy your pattern in solving a sub 1. So it is usually class the difference of the common difference D and a sub 1. So we have to add 12n. We have to add to 12n any number to satisfy a sub 1. So therefore it is a sub n equals to 12n plus 1 because if n is 1 and a sub 1, so it is only 12. So we have to add 1 so that we can, it will satisfy to the given a sub 1, which is equals to 13. Okay. Then we have step 5, test your pattern in at least 3 given terms of arithmetic sequence. So let us test now. So solving for a sub 1. So your n now is 1. So substitute the value of n as 1. So we have now 12 times 1 plus 1. So your a sub 1 is equals to 13. Then a sub 2. So your n now is 2. Okay, your n is 2. So substitute to the value of n. So 12 times 2 plus 1. So it becomes 24 plus 1. So your a sub 2 is 25. So check. Okay, 25. And we have 13 as your a sub 1. For the a sub 3, so that is 12 times 3 because your n now is 3. Okay, so therefore a sub 3 is equals to 36 plus 1, which is equals to 37. Check. Then we have a sub 4. Your n now is 4. Okay, so 12 times 4 plus 1 equals to 48 plus 1, which is equals to 49. So check for a sub 4. Then a sub 5 equals to 12 times 5. Your n now is 5. Okay, so 12 times 5 is equal to 60 plus 1 is 61. Okay. So therefore, our pattern satisfy the given term of arithmetic sequence. So that will be now your pattern to that given arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals to 12n plus 1. Okay. So that's how to determine the pattern of arithmetic sequence. So let's have example number 2. Okay. So the given terms are 32, 28, 24, and 16. So let us solve it manually. So first, you are to determine your, sa step 1 natin, a sub 1. So your a sub 1 is 32. Okay. And the common difference now is equal to negative 4. Okay. So your common difference is negative 4. So directly you write E sub n equals to negative 4n. So we have that one. Then what number to be added so it will satisfy to your first term na 32. Okay, so if we substitute n to 1, so it is negative 4. So we have to add what? So you have to add 36 so that it will satisfy to uh, first term to a sub 1. So let us check. So your a sub 1 now, your a sub 1 is equal now to negative 4 times 1. Okay, plus 36. Okay. So your a sub 1 now is equals to negative 4 plus 36, which is equals to 32. So check for a sub 1, 32. Okay. So let us solve for a sub 2. Okay, erase natin to. So for a sub 2, okay, your a sub 2 now is equals to, muna, ano ba yung pattern? Nakalimutan. So yung pattern is a sub n is equal to negative 4n plus 36. Okay. So your a sub 2 now is equals to, substitute 2 to n, so negative 4 times 2. Okay. Plus 36. Okay. So your a sub 2 now is equals to negative 8 plus 36 is equal to 28. So it will satisfy to the second term 28. So let's have uh, another proof, no? So erase natin to. So solving for a sub 3. So satisfied na kanina sa first term, second term, and the second term. So let us solve now for a sub 3. So your a sub 3 now is equal to negative 4 times 3 plus 36. So negative 4 times 3 is equal to negative 12 plus 36 is equal to 24. Okay, so it's satisfied now to the three terms of the given sequence. So maybe it is correct now that the pattern is a sub n is equals to negative 4n plus 36. Okay, so as simple as that, class. So let's have another example. So we have the given terms are 25, 14, 3, 8, negative, and negative 19. So what is now your a sub 1? So yan, kagad ang ating unahin, no? Okay. Patay ng sulat. Gawin natin yellow. Okay. So a sub 1 now is 25. Okay, 25 yung a sub 1. And the common difference D is, what do you think, class, the common difference? So 25 becomes 14. So 25 minus 14 is 11. I think negative 11. Okay. The common difference is negative 11. Okay. So 14 minus 11 is 3. 3 minus 11 is negative 8. Negative 8 minus 11 is negative 19. So therefore, your a sub n now, your a sub n, automatically you write the common difference equals to negative 11n. Okay, so what number you're going to add to satisfy 25? So if n is 1, so it is negative 11. So you have to add what? So you will add 36. 36, so that become 25. Negative 11 minus 36. Or 36 minus 11 is 25. Okay? So let's check sa a sub 5. So let us check for a sub 5. So a sub 5 is equal now to negative 11 times 5. Okay, so this is 5. Hirap. Okay. Times 5 plus 36. So your a sub 5 now is equals to negative 55. Okay, hirap magsulat dito sa negative 55 plus 36. So it is equal to, okay, so negative 19. Okay. So your pattern now for that given sequence is a sub n is equal to negative 11n plus 36. I think this is enough proof, no? Because it will satisfy to a sub 5. Okay? So, ganun lang. So, a sub n kagad equals to negative 11, yung value ng d times n. Then, you add the desired number to satisfy to a sub 1. Examine by examination. So, let's have another one. Oh, the same example. I think let's proceed to another one. Okay, so we have that. So, 1/2. That is example, I think example 5. This one. Example 5. So we have that 1/2. So your a sub 1 is 1/2. No. Okay. So your a sub 1 now, class, is equal to 1/2. And what do you think the common difference? So the common difference is also 1/2. So your d is equals to 1/2. Okay? Because adding 1/2 to 1/2 is 1. 1 plus 1/2 is 3/2. 3/2 plus 1/2 is 2. Then 2 plus 1/2 is 5 halves or 3 and 1 half. Okay, so what is now your pattern? So a sub n equals now to the common difference 1 half times n or yan times n. So anong i-add natin? If n is 1, so wala na. So this will be now your pattern. A sub n equals to 1 half n. Okay, so let us check for a sub 3. So 3 halves. So a sub 3 equals now to 1 half times 3. So 1 times 3 is 3 over 2. So it is equals to 3 halves. Check. Okay, so check. So how about solving for a sub 4? So a sub 4 now is equal to 1 half. And 1 half times 4. So 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. So therefore, this is now the pattern. A sub n equals to 1 half n. Okay? So let's have. Do you want another example? So let's have another example. For example, the given terms are 7, then it becomes 10, 13, okay, and 16, 19, and so on. Okay, so that is arithmetic sequence class. So your a sub 1 now is equal to 7. Okay. Your common difference D is equals to 3 because we have to add 3 to obtain the next term. So automatically you write your pattern as a sub n equals to 3n. So if you let n to 1, 3 times 1 is 3. So what number you must add or subtract to make it 7? So plus 4 tayo. Okay. So let's try solving for a sub 4. So a sub 4 now, a sub 4 is equals to 3. 3 times 4. Okay. Plus 4. Equals now to what? 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. So check plus 16. A sub 4 is 16. Okay. So that's how to determine or to write the pattern of arithmetic sequence. Okay, just follow the step. Identify a sub 1, D, then after that, you set a sub n equals to the D times n. Then you look for a number to be added that will satisfy to the first term or a sub 1 by letting n as 1. The value of n is 1. Okay, I think that's enough example. So, hanggang sa muling video natin, patuloy tayong magbibigay sa inyo ng mga techniques in solving mathematics sa grade 10. Okay, maraming salamat guys. Hope you will subscribe, like, and subscribe so that you will be notified for our next video. Thank you very much.